Hi, it's Doris at DF Designs and
Joe Patty.
We are doing a collaboration today. I can't get my fingers in the fingers. On a canvas. This is a 10 by 30 canvas. We spray painted it with, what was the color of the spray paint?
Can't remember. I'll go look.
Okay.
Aqua something, aquamarine or something. Let's see. It is a matte smooth out control by, oh, it's Atmosphere Blue by 94.
Atmosphere Blue, okay. We're both going to do a ring pour out of these cups. And then we're going to tilt our ends towards each other back and forth until we've got a painting, hopefully. Okay, you got your gloves on.
Got my
okay,
gloves.
Go ahead and put your white in the middle because I need my white over here too.
All right, blow the cup up.
No.
And put it over here. All right, now.
And the paints we're using today, this is just art. This is not the Artist Loft Flow, but this is just the Artist Loft white. Just go ahead and start layering your paints in there.
Okay.
Okay. These are called bomber cups, I think. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And I know that I saw one person say she gets it from the Dollar Tree. So go check your local Dollar Tree. If you're overseas, I'm sorry about that.
Can also get them on Amazon.
Okay,
I've had them
thank
on.
you. And I just got
Amazon.
light blue in my white. Oh. That is just great.
That's all right.
Okay, we're both using an Artist Loft light blue. That was the first one I put in my cup. I'm using Liquitex Basics Gold. And then I'm using a Grumbachers Academy Prussian Blue on top of that. And I think I'm going to put a little bit more in there of the other colors. Oh, let me just
gonna top mine off with the blue. But
oh yeah, let me just put a little bit light blue on this.
I got a drop of green in my white. It's
These cups are not easy to pour into. There you go.
Right, they're not.
Here, I'm done with the white too.
Now, did you put any white in the other part of the cup or
No,
just the middle?
No,
okay.
Just the middle. Now, I have no idea how this is going to turn out, so.
Right.
Okay.
Let's see the cups. Here's mine. Here we go.
Those of you watching my video, there's going to be a link to hers when it gets up, and she'll list all her colors. We both used the same Artist Loft. We both used the same Artist Loft white, the same Artist Loft light blue. She's got a copper and a phthalo green, and I've got a gold and a Prussian blue. Okay.
Want to top it off?
Yeah. And now we're just, I don't know, should we do it as a ring or just do a pour?
I don't care. We can
Okay,
do whatever we start doing.
Okay, and we'll do it at the same time.
Okay.
I think you got a little bit more paint than me, but that's okay.
Are you ready?
Okay, yep, here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, see, the way this cup is, we don't have to do it as a ring. You see how it's...
You can turn it to...
True. Now I'm going to catch my little drips when it gets to the bottom.
You pouring the whole cup out?
Yep, I just did. You got a little bit more paint than me. Oh, that green is so pretty in yours. I love that. I should have done...
stop there. I got a little more paint than you, like you said, so I'll stop.
Okay, now, first thing each of us is going to do is we're going to torch it to get rid of the bubbles. I can see the bubbles.
It's like a tree or the claw.
Yep,
like a
here
claw.
you go. Oh.
Yeah. I should have grabbed that, but I... All right.
Okay, I think first, let's try to get the thing this way.
Okay. Well,
So-
leave that. You know what? Let's set those back there.
Oh, okay.
There
I
you
didn't
go.
think about that. Okay.
All right.
Okay, let's tilt it back and forth a little bit this way.
Okay.
And we want to do it slow, of course.
All right. I think it looks so cool already.
Oh,
I love
man.
blue and gold, too, together.
I love how that copper did that with your green.
Yeah, it looks pretty.
Okay, now let's go Let's get it back towards the middle a little bit. Okay, now.
Go your way.
Yeah, we can do that.
You know, like that. Into the corner, like that, because I kind of want to run off like that.
I don't know if I want, well, I don't want it to run off.
Oh, I'm going to stop and pull it back.
Okay.
We're stretching it. Look how cool these look. Oh my goodness.
Now you want to get yours down to that corner?
Yeah, better move it down a little bit.
Yeah, this canvas is just a little bit too wide.
Sorry guys, it might not be too much in the view there.
Yeah, sorry about that, guys. But you know when you tilt in one direction.
Mine's flowing off now.
Okay.
Want to keep yours going a little bit longer till yours flows off?
Well, no, you'll lose too much of that. So now let's do it over to this corner.
All right.
This is a true collaboration.
Right.
We both have our hands on the same canvas. We both poured on the same canvas.
There, now you're getting the drip there. There it comes.
Oh, that's okay if it goes down the side.
Bring it
Okay.
down.
Okay, now let's see.
Go back.
Yeah, now let's see what we can get down to, of yours down to your side. And at that point, it's probably going to meet in the middle too.
You probably tip it to the corner. Like that. There we go. Yes, we have to get that there.
Now you get to see it.
Right. There's a hair right there. One of my long, dark brown hairs.
You sure it's not a gray?
Look how that, right. Look at how it's, that line right there.
Okay,
Should
now.
we pour a little something in there?
Yeah, I'm wanting to put a little bit of.
How about we do a cup right in the middle, maybe? Or. Go ahead and
Well, no, I'm wanting to put just a little bit. I don't have a lot of gold right here, so I'm going to put a little bit of the gold right here.
And look how your blue is really blue, and my blue kind of faded blue.
Yeah.
I wonder what's that? Maybe I had too much white? I don't know.
No. I think it might have been the reaction with the phthalo green.
Yeah.
And mine might not have faded because of the dark blue. I'm just pushing some of this gold on here, pushing it up to that. So maybe I can draw the paint. I mean, it'll probably all drip off when the other paint gets to it.
Just designing away.
Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of gold right here so we can get these two paints to flow. These two circles, I should say. Okay, and I'm going to put, do you want to put anything of your colors right there? I'm going to put a little bit of the Prussian blue around.
Yeah, we can mix the blues. I could put a little bit of blue here.
Just to give it something to make it move.
Right.
Because the paint will flow easier if it's already got paint next to it. Okay,
And I don't mind having a little negative space showing there.
Okay.
I like that.
Okay, now.
A little more light blue here, so. Oh, there's a hair. Where's your thingy? Here, right here. See it? You got a lot of hairs right there. See all that hair? Although some of those are lines, but I think that's a hair. Isn't it a hair? Maybe not. It looks like a hair.
I don't know.
Maybe it's just part of the pin. That's weird, huh?
Yeah, it's not a hair because when I wipe this through it, it's like gone.
I'll put some of your light blue back in here so we don't have a dark blue corner. We got to have it blend with something.
Okay. And I am going to put a little bit more gold right here. Some of this is going to run off, okay? But that's fine.
Right.
Okay, first thing.
No more green and I'm done.
Okay.
There we go.
First thing I'm going to do is I want to move it over and get this gold.
Yeah, go ahead. Get it.
Get this gold to move.
I wish you guys could see the side of this copper down here. Well,
I can turn it around at the end.
Yeah, we'll get a close-up later. Looks like cheesecloth. That's that extra water I put in there, I think. You want me to splash some light blue right there to get it going? Or?
No, no, no.
Okay.
There it goes. There it goes.
You tell me if you want me to do something while I'm standing here, I'll do it.
I just almost got it on my arm. Here, just help me hold it up so I can get it going over this gold a little bit.
Okay. Hold it up where?
Just.
I'll wipe the drips in the back while you do it, because I don't know which direction you're going in.
Oh, okay. I want to get some.
I'll just let you finish tilting it, and I'll keep an eye on where it's going.
Now, I can't figure out what that stuff is.
I know, I see like a couple of... Well, we'll get down to it.
Oh, there. Yeah, you're right about your stick doing that. There it went.
Okay. It's okay.
This is almost like Earth meets ocean.
Right.
Because your copper looks like a brown.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, now, I'm wondering if I should do anything that way with it. And if there's anything I should do with this.
Well, I'm going to leave this negative space here. But this looks like a green mountain. But I don't like what's happened here. It's like way down swervy.
Well,
but that's okay, because it's the way we tilt it. They go up like mountains, see? But this just has a weird look to it right there, doesn't it?
Well, let's see if we can get it down a little bit. Because I need my gold and blue over here to do something. Is it going anywhere?
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, I don't think this blue is going to do a whole lot.
All right. Take a stick and play with it.
Yeah, that's an idea.
This too, I'm gonna.
There we go. That blends it all together. There we go. That took care of that. Now, should I do any? I wonder if I should do anything with the gold there.
I would have more blue in that gold.
The Prussian or the light?
Yeah, the Prussian. Because you got it over there. You'll bring it full circle. And put it out in the middle and make some designs around it, or...
Well, there we go. Now, I guess to break up this over here, I'm going to do a little bit
thin
of
lines. And get it real thin. Don't let it come on too thick. Could almost use a needle, you know. I have a lot of different...
Well, you see what I did? I
Yep.
did the line. I did the line. Now watch.
Right.
When you got a part of your painting you don't like, you can always add more paint and play with it, right?
Yep.
Because this is all about having fun. It's not about getting it exactly right. And I think this is it. I'm going to torch it one more time. And while I'm torching it, I did want to tell you, thank you all for watching. Sometime in probably July, Joe, Patty, and I are going to have an auction. It's going to be on my channel first. And we're going to do an auction. And this painting will be one of the paintings auctioned off. She's going to bring some of hers over to auction off. And then we're just going to do a live auction to try to sell some of these paintings we've been making. So I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. There will be a link down below for Joe Patty's channel. Well, it's already on my homepage too, under featured channels. And I hope to see you all in the next video. So, I wonder if we should do one close-up.
Yeah. Want me to... I can go bend the camera down.
No. Well, you can tell me which way to turn it.
Let's see. Oh, that looks good.
Anyway, so thank you all for watching. And go over and check out Joe Patty's channel. Her video hopefully will be up about the same time as mine. And keep an eye out on my channel and on her channel. Oh, I got it all the way over on my wrist.
Now we can do that too.
Yeah, there you go.
Well, here's the sides, you guys. That's, well, the lighting's not good, but looks like cheesecloth. But when it's dry, Doris will show you.
Yep. Yep. I will have some paintings of it in a future video when it's dry. So, thank you all for watching. I love the fluid arts right out of you because I'm doing more than just resin. So, all I can say is, bye for now.
Arrivederci, everybody. See you again soon, back in our studio.